Harfey H6927G Radio Stereo GPS Navigation 7-inch touchscreen Bluetooth head unit for Toyota Tundra, Toyota Sequoia Android 8.0 Double-DIN Indash DVD player 1080p Wi-Fi steering wheel control. About the product, multiple touch point, 5 touch point touchscreen makes the operation more smooth and accurate. Enjoy visual feast on this 7-inch 1024x600 resolution display. It is also integrated with BC6 Bluetooth module, support phonebook SIC, hands-free call and music streaming. Very safe and convenient while you are driving to free hands. Fit type: this GPS stereo is perfectly suitable for Toyota Tundra 2006 to 2013/Toyota Sequoia 2008 to 2015. GPS Navigator, built-in GPS module, supports both online and offline navigation app from Google Play App Market to download, keep you clear in direction with the upgraded data, FM/AM/RDS radio, integrated with high-sensitive radio IC with good reception. It supports worldwide analog radio channels reception, RDS standard included for some European countries where with RDS radio signal. Steering wheel control. Your original car inverted exclamation mark Macron S steering wheel control will still work after installation of this all-in-one auto radio navigation system. Must be very boring if you drive a car without any music or entertainment. This 7-inch Android 8.0 radio car navigation head unit can give you a colorful driving trip to enjoy with your families. It features a built-in navigation system to guide you to those hard-to-find locations. In addition, this car stereo comes with Bluetooth functionality. This entertainment has an auxiliary input along with a USB port to provide a wide variety of input options. Features: app download, 7-inch touchscreen, 3D navigation, radio tuner, Bluetooth, steering wheel control, support backup camera, MP3/O/USB, etc. Specifications: operation system, Android 8.0. CPU, 8-core 1.5 GHz Cortex-A53. CPU chipset, UBLXOG 6010 Street. RAM, 4 GB Samsung DDR3. Screen size, 7-inch. Touch screen, yes. Resolution, 1024x600. Dual zone, yes. Voice navigation, yes. Name frequency, 1.6 GHz. GPS port, COM2. GPS baud rate, 9600. Support map, TomTom Ego Route 66 Papago etc. Bluetooth call, yes. Storage quantity, FM radio, 18 channels AM radio, 12 channels. Radio receptor, Philips 6624. Search method, automatic, manual. HD 1080p, yes. Anti-shock memory, yes. Last position memory, yes. Compatible disc, DVD/DIVX/MP4/MP3/MP2/VCD etc. And standard, support 802.11b/G/N. Music format, MP3/WMA/AAC/RM/LFAC etc. Video format, MPEG, H.264, H.263, VC1, RV, RMVB, DIVX, Sorensen Spark, VPA tabs stream etc. Picture format, JPG/BMP/JPEG/GIF/PNG. Testing voltage, 13.8 volts. Maximum power output, 4x45 watts. To purchase this product, link in the description.